We have a special treat here today because we are with 85-year-old Dolores Beck, tennis professional, musician. What else do you do, Dolores?
Artist.
Artist. She's amazing. And I just wanted to talk a little bit today about why Dolores likes tennis so much. Why do you like it?
Right away, I'll answer you. It's the movement. To
Movement.
Me, yeah, I call
Yes.
it dance therapy.
Dance therapy. Yes, I've used that too to describe tennis to people.
Yeah,
It's
beautiful.
like, you know, you're flowing around the court, you're dancing, and it's the best way to get into that, you know, ideal performance state, you know. But so movement is key.
Oh, absolutely. You have to move to the ball.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I always tell people before you hit it, make sure you're stepping in, you're going forward.
Yeah, going forward. Yep,
Yeah.
absolutely. So do you do other things to stay fit?
I do. You know,
Yeah.
I have a regular thing I do. I leave the house every morning at 7 a.m. I have on my earphones, and I do a mile and a half, where I live, a mile and a half around, and I have Pink Floyd's Comfortably Numb in there.
Pink Floyd.
Pink Floyd, and I'm doing this the whole mile and a half.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Yeah, of course
And you
Pink Floyd.
sprint too, right?
I do sprint. I do
Yeah.
not jog because for the tennis court you have to have really sound knees, and I
Yeah.
feel jogging and hammering away. But I'll sprint. There's never a pair of stairs I don't run up or run down.
That's a good idea. But yeah, hold on to the banister once in a while. I don't know.
Well, I'm starting to do that, but it's not like, huh.
Yeah,
You know, it's running down, but I have
And
my
she's
hand.
85.
I know,
You're
this is
amazing.
what I do.
So tell us what you eat. How about your nutrition? What do you do?
I think it's very good. I eat for my body. Now, today I was rushed coming here. I had to have breakfast. I
Right.
wasn't going to eat and then be on the court. So
What'd you have for breakfast today?
I
Is it
had-
similar to what you have every day or
No. Just felt, I grabbed small bottle of cranberry juice, but it's not apple cran. It's the real
Okay.
cranberry juice.
Yeah.
So it has a little sweet for fruit.
Yeah.
And I ate it, and I'm not going to be hungry right now. It's actually 11:30.
Yeah.
But I had that at probably 8 o'clock, 9.
Yeah.
And I won't be hungry.
Just the cranberry juice.
Just the cranberry juice.
Wow.
And then I eat salads, a lot of vegetables.
A lot of
and
vegetables.
sometimes I'll just, for dinner, when I work and I'm on the tennis court, I don't want to come home and cook. So I'll take out all the vegetables and I'll put them in a pan and I sort of saute them,
Yeah.
add my spices, you know,
Yeah,
onions.
yeah.
Oh, that's like a full meal.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
What else do you eat? Come on, tell us the truth. What do you eat? Come
No,
on.
I don't eat. There's no
No bad stuff?
no bad stuff.
No.
No, I cured myself from the bad stuff.
No
But
meat?
Oh no,
No.
there's no way I'll eat meat. But
How
I'll
about
serve.
chicken, fish,
No, I gave
dairy?
up chicken.
yeah,
I will eat salmon.
salmon? Wild caught, probably,
Oh,
right?
definitely.
Yeah, yeah.
I do because I'm an athlete. I'm not just, you know, sitting at home or playing whatever game or watching TV. I'm out running. So the fish, to me, fish oils are the oil.
We need those essential fatty
Essential.
acids.
There you go.
But you know, you can get those from chia seeds and flax seeds as well, which can be maybe a little bit easier to digest than the fish.
Sure. I'm not sure.
No, you can. You can. You can get the omega-6s and 3s from chia and flax. And
They don't taste as good. Come on, Tom.
they don't taste as good. Yeah.
No, I have to have some treat. I have to have
Yeah,
something.
yeah, she likes that fish. But, you know, the reason I bring it up is because as Dolores gets even older, she's 85, but, you know, we don't want to waste our energy on digestion.
But I don't. That nothing stays in me.
Yeah, you have good digestion.
Oh my God, yes.
Yes, yeah. Well, that's good.
So I must be at my age. No meds.
No meds.
No illnesses. Everything is fine. Heart, thyroid,
yeah.
you know, blood pressure, cholesterol. So
Yeah.
I must be doing something right.
Well, tennis is one thing right there.
Oh my God, that, yes.
It increases your longevity,
Yeah, I'm
your
gonna be
health,
playing when I'm in my 90s.
and your 90s. That's her goal. Playing in her 90s.
Are you
Good.
going to have me here?
Yes, she'll be here. Hopefully, I'll still be here.
Of course.
and we'll get her, you know, when she's 90, 95. So
Absolutely.
tennis really has that nice effect.
Yes.
It helps you with longevity. It helps you not only physically, it can help you psychologically,
Very much.
emotionally.
Very much.
So many ways. Tennis is such a good game.
And would you believe I'm a singles player only? I don't seek out doubles.
She can play
Singles.
doubles, but she prefers singles.
Yeah.
It's nice singles because you're the only one out there.
Right. I have to get that.
It's all on you. It's all.
When somebody hits it, I'm 4'10", so if someone hits it over my head, you know, I say that's for Joe back there.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Whoever
Yeah.
Joe is.
Right.
I don't have a Joe.
Yours. You can yell yours.
Yeah,
Right.
right.
Yeah. That's one thing. As a doubles team, you've got to communicate. But yeah, I just wanted to mention too to all the people out there that haven't taken up tennis yet. What would you say, Dolores? Why should they take up the game? Why is it so much fun?
Because you're moving and you're feeling balance. You're feeling
Balance.
balance in your body.
Yeah.
That is why I always say when you go for a ball, always put your hand out. Because
Yeah.
then I'll
Balance.
go, look, if you had to walk a line,
Yeah.
you wouldn't just go walk like this. You would, like that.
Right. Right.
So there's balance.
Balance.
And then there is bending of the legs.
Stretching.
So beautiful.
You get some stretching,
Yeah.
some flexibility
Some
from
flexibility and
it. Yeah.
fun.
It's so much fun.
Yeah.
So Dolores will be back, and
hope
I'm trying to get Dolores to eat more fruit. Okay, I keep recommending it as
I had the cranberry juice.
cranberry juice. Good. Orange juice. We live in Florida.
I understand that may be acid. A lot of acid.
No. See, no.
Enlighten me, oh master.
I will enlighten Dolores right now. Orange juice has citric acid. However, when you drink orange juice, fresh squeezed, unpasteurized orange juice, it turns an alkaline ash in your body. It's not acidic to your body. It's alkaline to your body.
So maybe I should get a thingy.
Well, you can get these electric ones.
Oh,
You can
really?
get them at Walmart for $30.
Really?
I bought a more expensive one. I got it on Amazon. It's called a Wearing Pro. It cost me $100. But the thing lasts for years, and it juices everything electrically. I mean, this morning I had 32 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. I just love it. And I had watermelon.
I love watermelon.
And my wife made this blueberry banana concoction. I had a little bit of that. So I'm fueled up right now. I'm feeling good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And very easy on my digestion. You know, fruit starts to get absorbed in your mouth. It starts to go into the bloodstream. And, you know, remember, sugar, I'm talking about good sugar, natural sugar, fuels every cell in our bodies. So by eating fruit, you get that instant fuel, and it's easy digestion. Whereas if you eat a piece of steak, the steak has to be digested down to simple sugars before your body can use it, and it saps your energy. So that's why I'm encouraging Doris to eat more fruit, stay away from the animals as much as possible.
I only pet them. I don't eat them.
Yeah, but fish are animals. All right. We have a good relationship.
Yes, we do.
I can tell her things, and she doesn't get so offended because she knows I care. I'm just trying to help. That's
and
all.
Stay tuned to the next segment because I'm going to sort of do something with the fruit.
Okay.
But see, I'm close.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
fruit
Sounds
is good.
good.
I love, but
Yeah.
I'll give you a little feedback on it.
Okay, good.
And then we can
All right.
duke it out.
Yeah, we'll duke it out.
Anyway.
Okay. Okay, tennis, the sport of a lifetime. According to world-renowned scientists from a variety of disciplines. Number one, people who participate in tennis 3 hours per week cut their risk of death in half from any cause, according to physician Ralph Paffenbarger, who studied over 10,000 people over a period of 20 years. Tennis players scored higher in vigor, optimism, and self-esteem, while scoring lower in depression, anger, confusion, anxiety, and tension than other athletes and non-athletes, according to Dr. Joan Finn and colleagues at Southern Connecticut State University. Since tennis requires alertness and tactical thinking, it may generate new connections between nerves in the brain, and thus promote a lifetime of continuing development of the brain, reported scientists at the University of Illinois. Tennis outperforms golf, inline skating, and most other sports in developing positive personality characteristics, according to Dr. Jim Gavin, author of The Exercise Habit. Competitive tennis burns more calories than aerobics, inline skating, or cycling, according to studies on caloric expenditures. There are many physical reasons to play tennis. Aerobic fitness, you'll be burning fat and improving your cardiovascular fitness and maintaining higher energy levels. Anaerobic fitness, by offering short, intense bursts of activity during a point, followed by rest, which helps muscles use oxygen efficiently. Leg strength, through hundreds of starts and stops and bending, which build stronger leg muscles. Bone strength and density, by strengthening bones of young players and helping prevent osteoporosis in older ones. The immune system, through its conditioning effects, which promote overall health, fitness, and resistance to disease. Flexibility, due to the constant stretching and maneuvering to return the ball. And it also helps us in psychological ways. It helps us develop discipline, since you learn to work on your skills in practice and control the pace of play in competition. It helps us manage mistakes by learning to play within our abilities and realizing that managing and minimizing mistakes in tennis or in life is critical. It helps us accommodate stress effectively, because the physical, mental, and emotional stress of tennis will force you to increase your capacity for dealing with stress. You'll learn how to recover by adapting to the stress of a point and the recovery period between points, which is similar to the stress and recovery cycles in life. You'll learn to solve problems, since tennis is a sport based on angles, geometry, and physics. And finally, last but not least, this sport of a lifetime, you must start playing it now if you want to experience all of these benefits throughout your lifetime. Dolores took up the game at 50, and I've had students in their 60s, 70s, 80s, even 90s. So if you can walk to the water fountain, you can learn how to play tennis. Get out there and do it. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't taken up tennis, get out there and give it a try. It's a great game. And like Dolores, eat real food, not stuff that's in a package. There's an old saying.
That's great. You are what you eat.
Yeah.
Like that?
You are what you eat is good.
So,
but actually the saying was this: if it's a plant, eat it. If it was made in a plant, packaged, don't eat it. Okay.
Okay, Tom.
You got
I
it?
don't eat anything packaged.
Good.
And I read labels.
You read labels. When
boy.
you see a label with 20 ingredients,
Yeah.
put it back.
Pass it on. Yeah, really.
Even anything more than, well,
No, you
I
have
don't
to,
buy things, period.
it's
but-
like, okay, it's like peanut butter. You know, in moderation, I have it, but only,
But it'll just say peanuts.
yeah,
Yeah.
peanuts.
Yeah, that's it.
And
Yeah.
then you have you have the this, and you have this for preservative, and you have this.
Yeah,
you
forget
have
it.
cane sugar. And
No.
all the other ones, like all the
Exactly. That's a good point Dolores made. Same thing with me. When I buy almond butter, it's raw. It has no salt. You know, so that's what I want. Just pure almond butter.
Yeah, go to the places that you can press a button and grind your own. That's even better.
That's even better.
Okay, then you know you're getting the pure nut.
Then you know you got it.
Yeah, like
As
us.
long as they're raw. We
Like
don't want
us.
roasted.
Like us. Sorry.
All the best. Please subscribe to the channel, post any questions or comments, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Bye.
Adios. Adios,
Bye.
amigos.
Do widzenia.